Assalamualaikum students, hope you are doing well. Today we will see how friction can be reduced. Friction can be reduced by using number of ways. For example, by making the surfaces smoother, because rough surfaces produce more friction as compared to the plain or smooth surfaces. And the another way is lubrication. Lubrication is another way to make a surface smoother. Lubrication means by using grease, oily products, oil and other waxy products. For example, we sprinkle powder, boric powder on carom board to reduce friction. Smooth surfaces have less friction, so by smoothing or polishing surfaces, friction is decreased. Do you know why boric powder is used on a carom board? It is to reduce friction so that the striker move fast, sliding smoothly on the board. The first way to reduce friction is lubrication. We can apply oil, grease and other waxy products between the moving parts of machines. For example, we apply grease on wheel bearings. The next way to reduce friction is streamlining. Basically, streamlining is a shape that reduces the friction. For example, the shape of the fish is also streamlining. It is pointed at the ends but broad at the middle, which let the water slip past more easily. And the shapes of birds and the airplanes are also streamlining. And their streamlined shape cuts through the air very easily and increase their speed. Friction can also be reduced by using wheels, rollers and ball bearings. Lubricants like oil or grease can reduce friction. They not only reduce friction, they can also prevent parts of machines from wearing away, making the surface smooth and rounded. Streamlining helps in reducing friction. Vehicles are designed so that friction is reduced between the vehicles and the air or water they move. Now we will discuss the question: how do birds and fish move quickly through air and water? And the answer is that the streamlined shapes of birds and fish allow them to move quickly through air and through water. Now we will discuss concept check on page number 73. Complete these sentences using what you have just learned about friction. Friction slows down, stops, or makes it hard for an object to move. Friction produces heat, and that's why it heats up the moving or working part of the machines. Rough surfaces have more friction as compared to the smooth surfaces. When we apply the brakes on a vehicle, friction is the force which slows the vehicle. If a surface is made smooth and rounded, we say that it is streamlined. Lubricants such as oil and grease can reduce friction. Now we will discuss question on page number 74. Discuss and answer. Look at these pictures A and B. How has swimmer A reduced friction? If A and B had a race, who would win? Why? And the answer is that swimmer A has better posture in the water. Swimmer A has better posture in the water. How? Because their body is in a straight line, creating a smooth line through the water. Swimmer A's cap and fitted swimwear, cap and fitted swimsuit also make him more streamlined. That's why swimmer A is more likely to win the race. Due to its streamlined shape or swimsuit and cap, the swimmer A is more likely to win. Okay students, hope so you will understand. Thank you for listening.